Hey YouTube, this is my friend playing. Not doing that good. I don't drink, so yep. There he is. And you still die.
Hit mark. Of course.
He's using G18s though. Yo, this laptop is heavy. It's true. He just took out the page load out. You did not just see that nigga. Yo,
Oh.
this is heavy. This is heavy. How this is probably play like 2 times.
It's probably 2 pounds.
Yes it is. Cause I live like 25. This shit is heavy.
Oh my god.
Maybe because I'm holding it with one hand.
He about have it.
Oh shit. You can't even see it. There we go. If I hold it right here. Wow, that was a quick match.
Dude, you should record the part where I shot the guy over down there.
Hey, shut up, shut up. Hey, I'm the cameraman right now, so shut up. Let me do what I do. Alright, YouTube. We're out. Peace. 5 and 14. Yep. Alright. Yep. Hasta la vista? Hasta la vista.
Hasta la vista.